Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If certain areas in your home have weak internet and you recently got Bell Wi-Fi ports, setting them up correctly can help improve coverage and make your connection feel much smoother. Sometimes people plug in the ports but get confused when devices do not connect right away or internet speed still feels weak in certain rooms. Since Bell Wi-Fi ports are designed to extend the signal from your Bell internet network, placement and setup order can make a big difference in performance. The big thing is that once everything is connected properly, moving around the house with a stable connection becomes much easier. You do not need complicated settings, but following the setup process in the correct order helps avoid problems later. In this video, I will show you step by step how to set up Bell Wi-Fi ports easily. Try these. Step 1. Open the Bell app and sign into the Bell account connected to the Bell Wi-Fi ports setup. Step 2. Plug the Bell Wi-Fi ports into a power outlet near the Bell modem before moving the Bell Wi-Fi ports to another room. Step 3. Follow the setup instructions in the Bell app to connect the Bell Wi-Fi ports to the Bell internet network. Step 4. Move the Bell Wi-Fi ports to areas where the Bell Wi-Fi signal feels weak after the Bell Wi-Fi ports are connected. Step 5. Wait for the Bell Wi-Fi ports to finish syncing and allow the Bell Wi-Fi ports time to stabilize the connection. Step 6. Test devices connected through the Bell Wi-Fi ports and confirm the Bell Wi-Fi ports improve the Bell internet coverage.